Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to walk you through how to reset Samsung Wallet in 2025, giving you the step-by-step guide. Now before you reset, you should know that resetting Samsung Wallet will remove all cards, passes and payment methods, and you will need to re-add them manually afterwards. Ensure you have backup access to your bank or payment accounts. Now let's go to the reset. Step 1 is called soft reset or app refresh. What you do is open Samsung Wallet on your Galaxy device. Then tap on the menu, the three lines on the menu, to open up the menu settings. That opens up settings, and then you tap on settings. I repeat, tap on menu, that is the three lines, and then it's open up settings, and you tap on settings. Then you select reset Samsung Wallet. Now this may say clear data or refresh instead of reset Samsung Wallet, so choose one. Next, you have to confirm and wait for the app to restart. And step 5 is to log back in with your Samsung account. This keeps your account but clears cache errors. Step 2 or method 2 is called the full reset. This will clear your data and your cache. To do a full reset, go to settings, tap on apps, tap on Samsung Wallet, select storage, select clear cache for temporary fixes. But if the issue persists, select clear data for full reset. Then you can also force stop the app and reopen it. Step 5 is to set up Samsung Wallet again. You have to re-add all the cards and all the passes. Now the third method you can use is to reinstall Samsung Wallet. Uninstall Samsung Wallet by long pressing the icon and tapping on uninstall. Then you restart your phone and then reinstall from Galaxy Store or Play Store where you downloaded the Samsung Wallet from, and then log in and re-add payment methods. Now if Samsung Wallet still does not work, check for Samsung Pay or Wallet updates in Galaxy Store. Ensure Samsung Knox isn't blocking it. How do you do this? Go to settings and click on biometrics and security. There you'll be able to know if it's blocking or not. Then lastly, contact Samsung support if the app crashes after reset.